In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts. Notion charts let you turn your databases into visual dashboards. So instead of scrolling through rows of data, you can see trends as bar, line, or donut charts right inside your workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating a chart view and getting your data connected, so you can quickly turn any database into something more visual and insightful. Start by opening the Notion page where you want to work with charts. This should be a page that already contains a database, or one where you plan to add a database. Make sure you're on the correct page and can see the database you want to visualize. Next, open the view options for that database. Look for the control near the top left of the database, where you usually switch between views like table, board, or calendar. Click there to bring up the view menu. In the search or filter field that appears, start typing chart. Notion will narrow down the view options based on what you type. From the list of options, choose the vertical bar chart view. This is one of the built-in chart types and is great for comparing values across categories or over time. When you select it, Notion may show you a prompt if your workspace has already used its free chart allowance. Go ahead and click on that message to review your options. This is where you confirm that you want to proceed, and it helps you understand any limitations for your workspace. Once the chart view is created, you'll see a configuration panel where you can adjust what data the chart uses. Click on the Data section. Here, you choose which database and which properties feed into the chart. Select the database you want to visualize, then choose the property for your x-axis, such as a date or category, and the property for your y-axis, such as a number or formula. Continue clicking through the highlight controls you see in the chart configuration to fine-tune things like grouping, filters, and sorting. Use the Open option when it appears to expand settings or view more details. When you're ready, confirm your choices so the chart updates with your selected data. If you ever need to start over or create another chart, open the View menu again and select Chart as the new view type. Then adjust the highlighted options to control how your chart looks and behaves. That's the basic flow. Open your page, add a chart view, connect the right data, and fine-tune the settings until the visualization clearly represents the information you care about.